Nyam nyam nyam. Ha? Nyam 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 nyam. Manda ka ngayon.
Oh, ba't tumakbogan kayo? Huwag niyo kayo iwan! Kayo pala ang laging nagdo-doorbell dito, ha? Ha? Ano yun? Ha? Ano? Huh?
Not me. Lucy did it. She broke it.
Nak, bili ka nga doon ng toyo.
Can't you
Suka
stop
pati sa
making me
sukal.
mad? But no, it wasn't me. Oh yeah? Blaming Anna now?
Toyo, suka pati sa sukal.
Why? Why are you always
Toyo,
protecting
suka,
Anna?
pati
What
sa
was
sukal.
that? You always favor Anna and blame
Pabili
everything
po.
on me. Why?
Ano
Am I
po?
not your child?
Toyo. Daming chichirya.
Lucy? Huh? Lucy, I finally found you.
Sarap ng mga binili ko. Oh,
Have you been
matatagal
doing
mo.
well? I'm sorry.
Nasaan
It's
yung
my
mga pinabili
fault.
ko?
I should have come for you sooner, my darling.
Mom,
Eh?
is it really you?
Yes, it's me. Let's go home. From now on, we'll be happy together.
Like, subscribe, and comment, was this the right choice?